Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to share with you a pendant that I made the day after I sent to rest my little girl Spot, and share the words written on this memorial piece that was sent to me by my friend Camille, and some other of my feelings and thoughts on grief. And hopefully I'll be able to help someone else another day with the grief that they feel and the loss that they feel when their pet is sent to Rainbow Bridge. So with a piece of tissue paper and an old stamp that I had and some UV resin, I'm making a pendant here. How ironic, not realizing until I'm doing this video that they are rainbow flakes. Remember me with smiles, not tears, for all the joys through all the years. Recall the closeness that was ours. Our love was sweet as fragrant flowers. Don't dwell on thoughts that causes you pain. We'll see each other once again. I'm at peace. Try to believe. It was my time. I had to leave. But what a view I have from here. I see your face. I feel you near. I follow you throughout the day. You're not alone along the way. And when God calls you, you will be right by my side, right here with me. Till then I'll wait by heaven's door. We'll be united evermore. Losing a pet is an incredibly emotional experience. They are our family members. They offer unconditional love, companionship, and joy. When they are no longer by our side, this leaves a significant void. Your relationship that you had was so unique for each and every pet that you own through your lifetime. And your feelings are real, and they are important. Just like any significant loss, you're going to go through all the stages of grief. They may not be in any particular order, but your feelings are real. Your memories and the decisions that you may have made you can play them over and over in your head. But it's important to remind yourself that you did your best and you gave your love. Share your feelings. Do not be afraid to share your feelings with your friends. Do something small for yourself, for your healing process, and honor your pet however you see fit. And don't be afraid if you think you need something more. There are many support groups you can find online. Some people like to believe in Rainbow Bridge because it's a beautiful meadow where pets go, free of pain and suffering, waiting to reunite with their humans. You can imagine your pet in a peaceful, joyful place. Being reunited with our pets brings us comfort and eases our separation. And don't forget to celebrate their life because they gave you many years of love and dedication and smiles and laughter.
I love the way that came. It looks erased. That could have been a little better.
Create a piece of art.
This part.
Write a
I
letter.
love it. It needs to be.
Craft a scrapbook.
I'm gonna put it under my light.
Help another animal.
And I'll take it out. And
Make
show
a
you
tribute to your pet. But please take care of yourself. Grief can impact your physical and mental health. Losing a pet is a deep loss. But the love shared is a testament to the bond you created. It's okay to grieve. But honor and celebrate their life, as I am doing here today. Create something simple. This was so simple and so easy. If I can help you in any way, please leave a message down in my comments below. the first of the new year, my first video. If you haven't met your neighbor yet, please do so. If you're in my live chat today, here's my little memorial to my little girl Spot. And then after that will be Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Be sure to visit.